Hey guys, I'm just here, Howard, back at it again with another Nunchaku for Beginners, okay? Here we're gonna do an actual move set, you know, when you're in a fight or something like that, okay? So first, you're doing your figure eight, which you've probably already learned, okay? Then you're doing your over and underhand passes, okay? When you do overhand pass right here, instead of catching it and bringing it on like that, okay, you're gonna not catch it. You're gonna do this. See here? Then you're gonna slash down like that, okay? When you slash down, it's gonna hit right here on your hip. It's gonna be fine. It doesn't hurt, okay? Here's the weird thing. You're gonna throw it all the way around, same hand, nothing fancy, just all the way around to your hip where it hits your stomach, and it's gonna bounce off your stomach right here, okay? Also, it's not gonna hurt at all. What happens is, the only part that might hurt is this right here, okay? The tips, that's gonna hurt, but other than that, you're pretty much good, okay? But anyway, bounce. It's gonna hit your stomach, bounce off, and you're gonna slash up, okay? You're gonna come back around to the same hip you were at earlier, slash up. Then you're gonna rotate it around your head and slash down. Now be careful with that slash. You don't want to go at a, you don't want to hurt yourself doing it. So again, up, down, and then up, slash down, all the way around, hit your stomach, okay? Then you're gonna slash up, rotate down, and slash. Again, practice makes perfect, guys. Okay, down, all the way around, hit your stomach, slash up, and then cross right down, exactly like an X, okay? Once you learn that, or practice that, we're gonna add a little bit more to it, okay? So you're doing the same thing, slash down, cross your body right here, come back across, and when you get up to here, when you do your first little slash on the X, you're gonna stick your hand out kind of like you want to dab, but you're not. And you're gonna rotate all the way around and slash back down. Simple. So like this. Right here, crossed, all the way around, hit your stomach. Okay, let me show you that again. Okay, very simple. It's really cool move, and it's actual move. So if you're ever attacked and you, for some reason, have nunchucks on you, which I always do, just sorry for the bad sound effects. Alright, that's it for that, okay, guys? I'll see you in the next video. Okay, also, I want to give a shout out to Ken Hill, okay? You may not know him, check out his YouTube channel if you get a chance. Basically, a lot of the moves I'm learning are from him. When I first got a hold of nunchucks, my dad taught me how to use them. But now, I want to learn some more advanced stuff, you know, more stuff like the wrist rolls, stuff like that. And I've been looking on YouTube for that, and Ken Hill, his YouTube channel, has been giving a lot of that. He has Nunchaku For Beginners as well. Check out his channel if you can. Alright, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.